ang ating pong mga kasamahan po na dito, na ating pong natin ngayon. So, nais po namin banggitin bilang pasasalamat po sa naging contribution po ng naging pundasyon ng Area 8 na ngayon po ay Area 3 na po. So, ito po ang nilalaman ng certificate. In grateful and prayerful remembrance, presented posthumously to Dr. Marialet Joy Murillo Tuazo. In recognition of her unwavering dedication and Christ-like compassion in serving as the youth medic across numerous area events, including sports fest, fun runs, youth camps, and more. Her readiness to travel great distances just to care and support the youth exemplified true servant leadership. Beyond her medical care, she nurtured minds and hearts through insightful health and spiritual lectures, touching lives with her healing hands and faithful heart. Each of you should use whatever gift you have received to serve others as faithful stewards of God's grace in its various form. This is found in 1 Peter 4:10, New NIV. Signed by Pastor Cesar S. Magbatas, Area 3 Chairman, Pastor Joy Mark A. Bonete, Area 3 Youth Coordinator, and Isabel M. Rosanegro, Area 3 Youth President. Pwede ko po bang matawag yung family po ni Dr. Marialet Joy Murillo po? And our Area 3 President, just to accept the certificate po. In loving memory and grateful recognition, presented posthumously to Maristela V. Murillo Rosas in honor of her faithful service to God through the youth ministry as a devoted advisor to Area 8 Amicus. She guided young students navigate through their academic life. Her God-given talents in directing, acting, writing, and voiceover work enriched countless video and stage production of the Youth Federation, leaving a last imprint on the youth who were able to see it. For her life was a testament to joyful service and creative ministry for the glory of God. Well done, good and faithful servant. You have been faithful with a few things. I will put you in charge of many things. Come and share your master's happiness. Found in Matthew 25, verse 23. Signed by our Pastor Cesar S. Magbatas, Area 3 Chairman, Pastor Joy Mark A. Bonete, Area Youth Coordinator, and Mr. Isabel M. Rosanegro, our Area 3 Youth President. Maaari po bang matawag po si Pastor
bilang po ng Area Youth Federation, pinaparamdam po namin ang aming pong lubos na pakikilamay at pagpapasalamat po sa amin pong mga ate at sa mga kapatid po natin na nakasama po natin sa paglilingkod sa Panginoon. Dahil po ng mga family po na naiwan na kami po ay lubos na nakikilamay kasama niyo po kami sa pagdadalamhati sa kanila po mga naging karanasan niyo po. Kami po ay maghahandog po ng awit para po sa pagpapasalamat po namin sa aming mga kapatid.
Amen.